So guys, if your local disk is full, which is the C drive, and you haven't installed any kind of game or any kind of data in there, but still it is capturing a lot of space, then it might mean that you have some temporary files in your drive. What you can do is you can just open run, which will be opened by pressing Windows button plus R. Then what you have to do is %temp%. This is what you have to type. When you press OK, then you'll see all the temporary files of your user. Then what you can do is select all these files and let me see how much the size of these files are. As you can see, it is around 2 gigs, I think. Yeah guys, it is around 2.5 gigs. So these are all the temporary files. What you can do is you can delete them. After you delete them, you will be having free 2 gigs of space. You can just skip some items which are using currently right now any kind of resources. So yeah, after you do that, it will delete all the crap you have in your temporary directory. But if still you see that a lot of space is captured by the drive still, so what you can do is you can just go to the same temporary directory. Then you can just go one step ahead in the the app data. And when you see the local folder here, you can just right click on it and click on properties. Then you'll see how much of the disk space this folder is capturing. As you can see, it is around more than 10 gigs. So what you can do is you can go to the local and you will see all the software files here, and you have to see which is the main software which is using your memory. As you can see, it is 1 GB of the space is captured by Wondershare, which will be the Wondershare Filmora files. I can delete them also. As you can see guys, this packages folder is capturing 11 gigs of my memory. I can see what's inside this, and as you can see, these are all the packages. And guys, some files of this packages folders are just temporary files, so you can delete them also. But you have to be sure that which file you are deleting. So you just have to go to every folder and you'll see which of them are temporary files. You can delete them. And by this, you can free your local disk C space.